Hi, I've had a couple of questions this weekend about packing slips, how to modify them, what's on them, what's not on them. So I just want to take you through the packing slip and the anatomy of a dropshipping by globalcrafts.com packing slip. So this is the screen that we use in order to print out our packing slips. We use an app called Order Printer, and we've done some edits to that app so that we get a branded packing slip for you. So first of all, the logo. The logo is going to print on the packing slip if you have registered a logo with us. Registering a logo is done off our website, dropshippingbyglobalcrafts.com, under the setup section. The logo is named with your email address and is placed on the packing slip if it's the same name as the email address that you signed into your account in order to place this email. In other words, if you change your email address, the logo will not appear on the packing slip. If you want to change the logo, you will need to submit a new file to us, and if you change your email at any point, that logo, you will need to submit a new file to us so that we can get that changed in our system. This is where it says test here is from the billing information company field. So when you check out with your order, if you complete the billing address company name, then that will appear in black font across here. If you do not want it to appear because you've got a logo registered and you think it's duplicitous, then simply don't add it to your billing address. If you do not have a logo registered, then you will need to make sure that you complete the company name here in order for your business name to be on the packing slip. Okay, so let's go down a bit further. So this is the standard stuff that is not editable, the products that you've ordered. Notice there is no pricing. We do not know how much you've sold the product for, therefore we do not put any pricing on the packing slip. The shipping information comes directly from what you have entered on the order, and the barcode means that we scan this packing slip at various points and never retype that shipping information. So the package will ship to the shipping address that you submitted on the order. We never edit it or touch it. If you get it wrong, it's going to ship to the wrong address. Okay. Return information is at the bottom here, and it says please contact us via email, and then the email address is the email that you submitted when you placed the order. It's the email address that you've logged in to your account. So the same way that the logo is connected to your account email address, so is this email address here. We don't tell people how to return the products. We leave that to you. We just tell them to contact you. One thing that is not showing on this packing slip is the notes. If there are any notes, when you're in your checkout process, there is an option to add notes to the order. If you add notes to the order, please note that they will print on the packing slip. They print out just here. Notes are great, for example, if somebody wants to have a message sent with their order, just insert it in the notes and it will print on the packing slip. The other thing that notes are good for is we are willing to include inserts into your packages, such as postcards or flyers that you have sent us. If you have sent us anything like that to insert into your packages to improve your branding, please put a note on each order, something simple like insert flyer or insert postcard. No need to write a whole paragraph, because remember, the customer does get to see this, but just a simple note to us to remind us to do it, because there's no way of automating that process, and it is a human thing for us to remember that your brand has sent a postcard. It's not something that we're particularly good at. We're great at things that are automated, but if we have to remember things, humans make errors. So please put that note in, put it on the packing slip, that way it will get done. Okay, so just to go back up and just go over a couple of things again. Logo, optional, must be submitted to us through the system and registered in our system in order to go on here. It is linked to your account email address. If you change your logo or you change your email address, you have to proactively make sure that we've either got the new logo or that we've attached the logo to the new email address. The company information comes in with each order in the billing information. If it's not in the billing information, it does not get printed on the packing slip. Please note, PayPal, one of the reasons we don't suggest that you check out with PayPal. If you want to use PayPal, we strongly suggest that you use your PayPal debit card, is that PayPal does not handle billing information well. It does not transmit billing information well back to Shopify. and therefore often that company information, in fact often all of that billing information is missing, which essentially means that if you have not registered a logo with us, this area is simply blank. So please be careful about using PayPal. Use your debit card if you want to use PayPal rather than using the PayPal checkout process. This bit is not editable. It is what it is for our internal purposes. Notes will go here. Notes can be used for either birthday card announcements and private messages the customer wants you to pass on as gifts, or it can be used for internal instructions to us, such as please put postcard in box. Okay, keep it as short as possible because it does come out in pretty big font to make sure that we see it. Return information is simple and it just has your email address. Again, if you want to change that email address, you have to change the email address on your entire account, which is also going to affect your logo if you have one registered. Okay, so I think that gives you a pretty good indication on what you can and cannot do with the packing list. Thanks for looking. Hope that's useful. Thanks. Bye.